This particular wood, this came from a barn in Kansas.
Ever wonder what goes on after the Orange County Fair leaves? On today's episode, we get to see what goes on after the fair has gone.
Hi guys, we're here at the Orange County Marketplace. The Orange County Marketplace was founded in 1969 and takes place at the Orange County Fairgrounds. It is open from 8 to 4 every Saturday and Sunday, except for when the fair is in town. Let's go inside and check it out.
The Orange County Marketplace offers free parking and is only $2 to get in. Today, we set our sights on the most unique goods.
My name is Bill Leary. I like to use reclaimed wood and repurpose things rather than buy new wood. Instead of throwing things out, we take old stuff and make it new. Everything that you see here is going to be all handmade, all sanded by hand, no heavy-duty machines involved. I actually buy my pipe in 20-foot lengths. I cut it, I thread it, and I make different length tables, different sizes, different widths, different heights. So any table that you see with a round base could be a coffee table, a dining table, a counter table, or even a bar table by me simply changing the 4 corner pieces of pipe.
Awesome, Bill. And you mentioned something interesting about this table over here.
Yeah, this particular table at one time was an old door in a house in India, and then they tore down the house, and I bought the door and made it into a table. So we try to be creative and reconstruct things. Everything that I do is going to come with a sealer on it, so water will not enter that table. Pretty cool. Just rolls right off.
And something caught my eye over here. It looks like there's some shelves over here. You want to walk over there?
Yeah, these are some reclaimed wood shelves that they're called invisible shelves. And the reason they're invisible is because you mount this piece to the wall, and once it's mounted to the wall, you push this in, and now you have a shelf on the wall that has no hardware. They call them floating shelves. The interesting thing about this particular piece of wood is that this at one time was the grandstand seating at Hollywood Racetrack, which is now Ram Stadium. So this is a part of history. So when you buy this shelf, you actually have some of the last wood from the remains from Hollywood Racetrack.
That is super cool.
My name is Isaiah, and I work for Di-Franco. That's this company that makes fountains, statues, and concrete tables. All the content is made out of concrete because it's the best material to have, in all types of condition and weather. Some of the statues are made out of plaster, but we can also make those into concrete. Patio tables as well, they're made out of concrete.
And I noticed in the back you guys are doing some touch-ups or some painting?
Yeah, we paint, we touch up. Some of the things that are white, like plaster stuff, if they want a different color, we'll go ahead and do it.
And do you find that most of the items are for purchase for home use, or are they for businesses?
Mostly home use. We do have some of the bigger waterfall fountains that a lot of commercial companies use.
The Orange County Marketplace has dozens of booths to choose from. You can even stock up on your kitchen essentials. Now, no weekend is quite complete without a relaxing brew you can sip away as you stroll down and shop. Stop by early because we hear you can even score a good deal on fresh produce.
Another unique find at the marketplace is the Hot Wheels stand. They have hundreds of Hot Wheels cars still in their original packaging. Here you can buy, trade, or sell your own Hot Wheels cars. The sales rep says it's the cheapest hobby you can take up. There are people who come to the marketplace just to check out what he has in his collection that week.
And the award for the best smelling stand goes to this potpourri joint. Really, you can smell it from a mile away. This place is special. Andrew, the owner, says he imports his botanicals from India. It's pretty important because they source their blends from all over the world. You can easily have up to a few different countries in each portion of these floral spreads. Don't forget to stock up on the oils too. These natural oils are top-notch and you just can't find it in any old store. The varieties in stock change weekly, so you'll be sure to get something new next time you come to the Orange County Marketplace.
Thank you for visiting the marketplace.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments where you would like to see us next. Seriously, we'll read them. As always, links to the vendors are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure. And until next time, bye-bye!